Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the actor dub in Heartopia Dream Live Cinematic Basketball Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this event, you will find a bird watching challenge and you need to scan actor dub's bird to get the coins, the tokens. Okay, and if you want to find this bird, you need to go to the forest. As the hint says here, during the festival, actor doves will appear near the forest. So you can immediately go to the forest. I'm already in the forest, so now I'm going to look for the actor dove. Okay, I think this is the bird. Okay, and I'm going to prepare my scanner. All right. Okay, great. Oh my god, it's flying. So yeah, you can find it the actor dove here, the bird with the suit. Okay, wait, let me find it. Okay guys, that's the bird. I need to be careful. Gray suit dove. Oh my god, it's flying again. But yeah, you just need to find the bird with the suit in the forest. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the actor dub in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Basketball event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!